Unitree's $6,000 humanoid robot. What can it do? Imagine being able to purchase a humanoid robot that can walk, follow commands, and communicate, all for less than the price of a high-end camera. That's exactly what Chinese robotics company Unitree has done with their latest creation, the R1, priced at a jaw-dropping $5,900. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. This compact, versatile machine could revolutionize the way we think about robotics in research and education. Standing just under 4 feet tall and weighing around 55 pounds, the R1 boasts an impressive 26 joints, allowing it to move with surprising agility. It can operate for about an hour on a single battery charge, and it comes equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a camera, microphones, and speakers for seamless communication. While these features are undoubtedly appealing, the R1 does have some limitations. Notably, it lacks hands, which means it can't grasp or manipulate objects as adeptly as more advanced models. Despite these shortcomings, the R1 is poised to become a valuable tool in scientific research and educational settings. Researchers are using it to develop and test algorithms and artificial intelligence models, exploring how these robots can assist in industrial environments. One notable example is the collaboration between Geely, a prominent automaker, and Unitree, where the R1 is being tested on an assembly line to see how it can aid in vehicle production. What's particularly remarkable about the R1 is its affordability. At just over $5,000, it represents a significant drop in price compared to other humanoid robots. For instance, Unitree's more advanced H1 model, capable of climbing stairs and performing backflips, sells for a hefty $90,000. Even Tesla's highly anticipated Optimus is projected to cost between $20,000 and $30,000. In this early phase of humanoid adoption, the R1 sets a new standard, making advanced robotics more accessible to a broader range of users. For those seeking greater customization, Unitree offers an EDU version of the R1, complete with dexterous hands. Each hand adds approximately $5,200 to the base price, along with a more powerful computing module. This enhanced version opens up even more possibilities for research and development. In conclusion, the introduction of the R1 marks a significant milestone in the world of humanoid robotics. Its affordable price point and versatile capabilities make it an ideal choice for industrial pilot programs, research institutions, and early adopters interested in exploring the potential of robotic technology. As we continue to witness advancements in this field, the R1 stands out as a testament to the exciting future of robotics. Source: Unitree, https://www.unitree.com/r1. Note: New Atlas may receive a commission if you make a purchase through the provided Amazon link. Thank you for supporting us. Unitree R1 versus Tesla Optimus. $5,900 humanoid robot shakes up robotics industry. Here's a reality check that might make Tesla investors uncomfortable. A relatively unknown Chinese company just threw down the gauntlet in the humanoid robotics race with a price tag so aggressive it could reshape the entire industry overnight. Last week at Shanghai's World AI Conference, Unitree Robotics dropped what many are calling a market bombshell. Their brand new R1 humanoid robot, priced at an eye-watering $5,900. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just another tech demo gathering dust in a lab. This robot performed live cartwheels and complex balance demonstrations that had audiences questioning whether we're witnessing the democratization of advanced robotics or simply clever marketing wrapped around limited functionality. Let's break down what $5,900 actually gets you with the R1. Standing at 4 feet in height and tipping the scales at 55 pounds, this mechanical marvel incorporates 26 individual joints that enable remarkably fluid, multi-axis movement. The engineering team has equipped it with sophisticated voice recognition capabilities alongside image processing technology, all powered by an 8-core processor featuring an integrated graphics processing unit. For connectivity, you're looking at cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 support, plus Bluetooth 5.2 compatibility. The removable battery system provides approximately 1 hour of operational time, though critics might argue that's barely enough for meaningful real-world applications. Even more striking is Musk's own pricing projections. He's estimated that Optimus will carry a minimum price tag of $20,000, which represents more than triple what Unitree is asking for the R1. But wait, there's a catch that industry analysts are buzzing about, and it might explain why some experts remain skeptical about Unitree's aggressive pricing. Unitree hasn't provided specific delivery schedules, acknowledging that the R1 remains in active development phases. Their distribution strategy involves partnering with third-party dealers for global market reach, which could either accelerate adoption or create quality control challenges. Interestingly, this pricing represents a dramatic departure from Unitree's previous robotics offerings. Their earlier G1 humanoid model launched with a $16,000 starting price, while the more advanced H1 variant commanded a hefty $90,000. Company representatives explain this shift as a deliberate strategy to remove financial barriers that have historically prevented developers and early technology adopters from experimenting with humanoid robotics platforms. The broader humanoid robotics landscape is experiencing unprecedented investor interest, creating both opportunities and intense competition. Boston Dynamics, now operating under Hyundai Motor Company's ownership, continues advancing their renowned Atlas robot, though their pricing exceeds $100,000, putting it firmly in research institution territory rather than consumer markets. Meanwhile, emerging players like Agility Robotics, Apptronic, and Sanctuary AI are all pursuing enterprise-focused deployment strategies, suggesting the industry hasn't yet decided whether the future lies in consumer adoption or specialized business applications. Unitree's timing aligns perfectly with China's national industrial policy priorities, where robotics development receives significant government support and strategic focus. The company has articulated long-term ambitions to integrate humanoid robots into both residential and office environments. Though the R1's current limitations suggest this vision remains several development cycles away. And this is the part most people miss. Unitree's $5,900 price point might be establishing a new baseline for an industry still figuring out its commercial identity. Whether this represents genuine value or strategic market positioning remains hotly debated among industry observers. So here's my controversial question for you. Is Unitree's R1 a genuine breakthrough that will force established players like Tesla to reconsider their pricing strategies? Or are we witnessing an elaborate loss leader strategy designed to capture market attention while the real profitable robots remain in development? More importantly, as consumers, should we be excited about affordable humanoid robots that excel at demonstrations but can't actually help with daily tasks? Or should we wait for more expensive options that promise practical utility? What's your take? Are you willing to pay premium prices for robots that can actually work? Or does Unitree's approach of prioritizing accessibility and movement over functionality represent the smarter path forward? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this debate is far from settled, and your perspective might just influence how this industry evolves. Unitree R1 versus Tesla Optimus. 6K humanoid performs fistfights cartwheels. In a groundbreaking move, China has introduced a humanoid robot capable of fist-fighting and performing cartwheels, all for a price tag of just over rupees 5,06,000. This new R1 robot from Unitree Robotics, unveiled on Friday, showcases impressive agility and balance, rivaling other high-tech bots in the market. The R1, weighing around 55 pounds, boasts 26 joints that allow for flexible movement and is equipped with advanced multimodal artificial intelligence, including voice and image recognition. The robot's capabilities, demonstrated in a viral video, represent a significant advancement in robotic locomotion and balance. Beyond its boxing skills, the R1 also performed a kip-up, a complex gymnastic maneuver where it transitions from lying on its back to standing without using its hands. This feat highlights the robot's remarkable agility and control. Check out the viral video here. Unitree introducing Unitree R1 Intelligent Companion, price from $5,900. Join us to develop, customize, ultra-lightweight at approximately 25 kilograms, integrated with a large multimodal model for voice and images. Let's accelerate the advent of the agent era. Pic twitter.com/Q5PMKFSZ, https:/t.co/Q5PMKFSZ. Unitree Robotics, July 25, 2025, /twitter.com/Unitree Robotics, status 194-868-132-527-75751, ref SRC, TWSRC, Theth. As of the latest update, the video has garnered nearly 3 million views and hundreds of comments, with many users curious about the robot's ability to perform everyday chores. One user jokingly asked, "Will it fight anyone you point at?" asking for a friend, while another wondered, "Can it walk my dog and serve breakfast to my kids?" Meanwhile, other users tagged Elon Musk and his Tesla Optimus company, which also develops general-purpose, bipedal humanoids capable of performing tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or boring. One user commented, "Yo, at Tesla Optimus, at Elon Musk, you guys still trying to compete? Hope you're not still in the lab in a few years while these guys are ramping and deploying next year." Apart from Mr. Musk's company, U.S. firm Boston Dynamics and its Atlas robots have also been pioneers in the humanoid robot market. However, an advanced human-like bot for just Rs 5 lakh, if successfully mass-produced, could mark a major milestone for China in the robotics and AI race. Currently, Unitree's larger, more advanced humanoid robot H1 sells for more than $77,90,000. Unitree's older G1 humanoid, priced at Rs 13.8 lakh, $16,000, gained popularity for use in research labs and schools. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that while the R1's price is attractive, its practical applications in everyday life are still unclear. Can a robot designed for agility and combat really help with mundane tasks? And this is the part most people miss. The true value of such robots might lie in their potential for specialized tasks, rather than general household chores. What do you think? Could the R1 revolutionize the robotics industry? Or is it just a flashy gimmick? Share your thoughts in the comments below.